to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today we've got something truly special for all the classic car lovers out there. We're diving into the iconic Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, an automotive masterpiece that's made its way back into the spotlight for 2025. This isn't just a throwback, it's a modern evolution of a vintage legend. Whether you're a longtime fan of this beautiful coupe or just discovering it, the 2025 Karmann Ghia brings together heritage styling and modern engineering in a way that's turning heads across the car community. Volkswagen has done a stunning job of retaining the soul of the original while giving it the kind of updates that today's drivers expect. The sleek, low-slung profile is still there, just with sharper lines and more aerodynamic curves. The front fascia has been slightly modernized with LED headlamps that blend smoothly into the rounded fenders, paying homage to the original design. The rear end maintains its vintage character, but now features subtle chrome accents and new taillight designs that look both retro and futuristic. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes equipped with an all-electric powertrain, marking Volkswagen's commitment to the future while celebrating the past. The motor delivers an impressive 220 horsepower, which makes it not just a cruiser, but a serious performer on the road. It goes from 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds, which is a massive leap from the original models. With a range of around 300 miles on a full charge, it's as practical as it is stylish. And yes, it supports fast charging, getting you up to 80% in just about 30 minutes. Inside the cabin, you're greeted with a clean and classy interior that merges vintage aesthetics with modern comfort. The dashboard retains the minimalist charm of the classic model, but now features a digital cluster and an infotainment screen that blends seamlessly into the design. Leather-trimmed seats with contrast stitching, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the experience for both driver and passengers. There's also a premium sound system, wireless phone charging, and all the latest driver assist features to keep you safe and connected on the go. For those wondering if this is just a one-off concept, no, it's not. Volkswagen has confirmed that the 2025 Karmann Ghia will be available in limited production, making it a collector's dream. They're offering it in several classic colors, including that unmistakable pastel green, deep cherry red, and a bold sapphire blue. Each unit will come with a numbered badge, and VW is even including a heritage plaque that connects your new Ghia to its vintage roots. Talk about blending history with the future. The response from enthusiasts has been phenomenal. From car shows to online forums, people can't stop talking about this revival. The nostalgia, the design, the performance, it's ticking all the right boxes. It's also sparked interest in the rest of Volkswagen's future lineup, as fans wonder which classic icon they might bring back next. The Karmann Ghia is more than just a car. It's a statement that the spirit of the golden age of motoring is still alive and well in the electric era. If you're someone who loves cars that tell a story, this is the one to keep an eye on. Whether you're into restoring classics or investing in modern machines with heritage, the 2025 Karmann Ghia stands out as a beautiful bridge between generations. It's elegant, it's electric, and it's exciting in every way. Thanks for tuning in to Cars Wars Pack, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest automotive legends and future icons. Stay tuned, because there's always more where that came from.